Hello. So what we have here is this small like a carrying case. This is the inside. Looks kind of cheap, but it is what it is. It's wide, has a hole at the bottom. Fabric is thick, yes. Has two straps to hold to your belt and other parts. Okay. Only one zipper slider. No brand of the zipper. It's kind of tactical look and feel. This is metal. Now, see, it's not very, in my experience, this should be hard to take out, because if not, one finger, and they are gone, right? So, not cool. Not very impressed. I was expecting for more, but it is what it is. How big they are? For reference, this is a cell phone, smaller than an iPhone Pro is the Huawei P30. So just for size compare, this is what you are going to get. Not very excited.